影片備有多種語言字幕 multilingual subtitles available. Hello, welcome to this episode of Heji's Travelogue. Welcome to join our Kyushu trip in Japan again. We have now arrived at Amakusa City in Kumamoto Prefecture. There is a park with a strange name called Oninojo Park here. And in English, literally meaning the Demon's Park. So let's come and take a look. When we arrived at the entrance, we saw this demon mask gate, which has a mysterious feel. We are now going in to take a look. It really feels like an exploration. After entering, the first thing we can see is a circular building. I wonder what that is. It looks like an open-air circular plaza, with a bit of a colosseum feel. Next to a circular plaza, there is a path that seems to lead to another place. The two sides of the corridor are all decorated with demon mask columns. It looks a bit gloomy. If you come here at night, it must be really scary. There is also a relic that looks like a fountain, also bearing a huge demon mask, overgrown with weeds. It has a bit of a Zelda game scene feel, a real-life version. There is also a circular building structure above. I wonder what that is. Let's go and take a look. We have now reached the bottom of the staircase. Let's follow the path and go up to take a look. The spiral building structure is getting closer and closer to us. Arrived at the base of the building, it looks like a fortress. And there's a red metal object in front that seems to be a weapon. Next to it, we also see this giant footprint with the words Demon's Castle written on it. Continuing along the spiral staircase, as we climb up, the view from the top turns out to be a vast and open natural scenery. This is indeed a special and worthwhile scenic spot. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Ciao!